this is the video on how to solve word problems about the equations of lines. So this one, it's number 12. The temperature in Tokyo was 13.5 degrees Celsius in 1915, T equals 0. By 1965, T equals 50. The average temperature was up to 15.1 degrees Celsius. So these are important because they're numbers. And also, that's important. And T equals 50 is the time between 1965 and 1915. So T equals 50, T equals 0, 13.5, 15.1. Okay, for the first question, what is the rate of change in the temperature over the 50-year interval? Okay, so to find the rate of change in the temperature over the 50-year interval, we are going to put 50, since it was a 50-year interval, on the bottom of a fraction. Or we're going to divide the difference between 13.5 and 15.1 by 50. So then we're going to do 15.1 minus 13.5, and that equals 1.6. And so that means we're going to put this 1.6 over to here. So we're going to put 1.6 up here. And then we're just going to divide. So we're going to do 1.6 divided by 50. And that equals 0.032. So that means that the temperature increases by 0.032 degrees every year, basically. So we can check that by doing 0.032 times 50. And then if we add that answer to 13.5, then that will equal 15.1. And so since this is true, that means that the rate of change in the temperature over the 50-year interval is 15.1. Okay, so for the next question, we have write a linear line model with T temperature as a function of time, T in years since 1915. So we're going to start with a capital T for temperature, since that's what it asked for. And then we're going to say that is equal to 0.032 times, and it's going to be multiplied by the number of years. So it's going to be just a lowercase t time since 1915 over here, and then that's a lowercase t, I guess, and then that's going to be added to, so this is it. Okay, I'm just going to change the color. Okay, so that's the lowercase t, and then that's going to be added to the starting point. So it started at 13.5 degrees Celsius. So 13.5. And then that's the model for the rate of change, the linear model for the temperature of Tokyo, the average temperature of Tokyo. And then for C, we're going to use this model to predict the average temperature of Tokyo in 2010. And so 2010 is actually T, but not actually 2010. We're going to do 2010 minus 1915. So 2010 minus 1915, and that is equal to 95. So now that we have that, we can use this 95 and plug that in for T. So T equals 0.032 times 95 plus 13.5. And so the first thing we're going to do is multiply 0.032 times 95, and that equals 3.04. So those equal 3.04, and so then that means T equals 3.04 plus 13.5. And then so if we add this together, T equals 16.54, and that's the answer to the final question. And that's it.